Welcome to a little footage here at Los Angeles. Out training with the crew here today. Drone DJI 4 Phantom, and we're moving to LA. I know we're looking at some property, looking at building around the LA area. So this is a quick. There's a lot of training around here, Brentwood area. So a lot of training in the Santa Monica Hills. Heaps of runners and riders. This is the Nike Center, the old missile spotlight. Good place to launch a drone from. Interesting stuff. I'm just playing around here, getting the hang of it, and I'm working part time as real estate. So we're looking at this place here. Looking at this place. This is Beyonce's pad. See this vacant lot in the back here. We're thinking of building on that, bit above Beyonce. We can sort of throw banana peels down the lot. That's Tom Cruise's house down there. That's Beyonce. I think that's Taylor Swift. This is Taylor Swift, Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise lives on the right, Taylor's on the left. They sort of share. They're like roomies, houseies. And that's Eddie Murphy on the right hand. That's where he sort of used to live. So Tom Cruise, Taylor Swift, Beyonce. That's sort of, So we're thinking of probably sharing that tennis court. And we're going to plant this out with grapes and bananas just in there. Just building that. Probably put up a few tents and have some carb parties. What do you reckon on that? Just playing with that washing machine. Someone's dumped a washing machine. Maybe Beyonce says, "I've got a flat tire there." How many carved up vegans does it take to fix a flat tire? I've got 1, 2, 3, a lot of them. And got the bike on the ground there. Oh, just keep trying to grab the drone. It just keeps flying away from me. Getting drone rejection. Yep, there we go again. Just launch mode. It's a pretty handy. The DJI Phantom 4, mate. It's pretty legit. It's pretty legit. You asked me to review one, so I went out and bought one, and I definitely rate it. I'll definitely rate it. Out of personal curiosity, I bought one as well. I think the drone technology is pretty rad. Just getting a hang of it myself. And there we go. That's where we're going to move to. Build on that block there. Tent City, Brentwood. Having some lunch there. Carbon up, some vegan, oil-free vegan food. Indian. Boom! Look at that. Sparrow's eye view. Actually, seagull's eye view, because free food, bro. Free food. Seagull's eye view there of Los Angeles. And down there, another seagull's eye view. Just checking it out. It's pretty cool, isn't it, man? The technology, the drone used to have to, get a helicopter and fly all those air fumes. Now you just launch a fucking drone in the sky and you got 4K. You can look who's living around. You can compare your Joneses with you. And again, who do you recognise in the video? Do you recognise anyone in this video? Do you recognise anyone? Let me know down below. And this is the follow me mode. You can press the button, trying to fall off the cliff. And I was looking for some dimes and 10-cent pieces and quarters. Throw us a quarter. Cruising along there. I'm actually carry the drone in a little. There we go. Can I get some pro shot? Carry the drone in a little $20 to $6 Camelback bag I got. There's so many fit crew, people into fitness in this area, man. You go out in the trails, you're going to meet easy crew. I ride my road bike. I think if I lived here, I'd probably run a 29er mountain bike. I'd probably run a 29er mountain bike for these trails. You can ride them on the road bike as well, but the mountain bike would just be a little bit, a bit grippier. 30 PSI on the tyres, 40, maybe 50 if you're on a hybrid. Look at these dancing vegan crazy people. What happens when you give vegans some carbs? They dance on top of the Nike Center. You been up here? Have you been up here? We come up here a lot. It's a great place, man. It's a great place indeed. What's happening down here with some more